Today we're going to look at transferring the data from the USB drive. So what we've captured through the day, we're going to be able to push up onto your organisation's network. There's a button over here, transfer data from USB. We do that. So we're just going to set this form up. So for the USB drive, we browse for that and just select the back folder that'll be sitting there with the roads under it. The current directory, that's your organisation's network directory that has the data store on it. So you might name that whatever the year is, that current year. Archive directory. Just explaining the process here. The program looks at what's in the portable hard drive. Now if that road exists in the current directory, it'll move the road out of the current directory into the archive and then copy what's in the portable drive into the current directory. That way, whatever's in the current directory is always the most recent road. So there's three options here with the transfer. We can just push it straight to the network drive with the network option. The cloud option just pushes it to the cloud and actually doesn't remove it off the portable drive afterwards. That's the only option that doesn't. And then the cloud and network, which actually does both. So just reiterating, when you do the network option, it leaves the hard drive empty in that back folder, the portable hard drive, and same when you do the cloud and network option. With those two options, you're ready to go then the next day and collect more data on an empty disk. With the cloud option, it'll ask you what do you want to do with those files at the end of it, in case you decide later, well, actually I'd like to push them up to the network. So in this case, we're going to push them to the cloud and the network. The scale and compression we recommend to leave at 50 and 50 for good imagery. And the cloud folder will be predetermined for you, so it'll have your organisation's name and the current year. So we'll do the cloud and network now. You can see there it's going through different processes. First of all, caching some compressed images. Obviously, we're just doing a test data set here. It's not very big. With a large data set, this process could actually take hours. So we recommend you do it of an evening or at the end of the working day, and just let it run. It doesn't require any intervention through this process. It'll finish at the end of it and you should be right to go. So you can see there the transfer's been completed. That one there, 2 rows, took 3 minutes to push up to the cloud and copy to the network. Just click OK, close the form, and we're done. Thank you.